Hey everyone, welcome back to this channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how to install Call of Duty Mobile on PC in 2025. So let's just directly get onto the video. So first of all, you have to open a new tab on your browser and search for a mobile emulator. From here, so as you can see, there are many mobile emulator. There is like BlueStacks, Momo Player, and Game Loop, Genie Motion, and many more. So I'll prefer Game Loop. That's the best one right now to work. As you can see, here are many options. Like we can see Call of Duty here. Call of Duty Mobile from here. As you can see, you can just first download the Game Loop app, and after downloading and installing the Game Loop mobile emulator to your PC, you have to click onto the Play Store and download the Call of Duty Mobile PC from there, and then you can just install the Call of Duty Mobile PC, and you are ready to explore and play the game from there. And that's it for the video. See you on the next one, guys.